Onam special Palada Payasam recipe. One of the famous Payasam recipe in Kerala Sadhya. It's a very tasty and simple recipe. Let's move to the video. First we need to cook the rice adda for the Payasam. In a container take 2 liters of water and boil it on high flame. When the water starts boiling, add 200 grams washed adda to the container. Close the lid, cook on medium flame for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, let's open the lid. It has cooked well. Switch off the flame. Drain the water. Now add normal tap water in order to avoid adda sticking together. After 1 minute, drain it and keep aside. Now in a container, take 2.5 litre or 10 cups of milk and boil it without adding water. Keep aside for later use. Now in a pan, take 3 cups or 750 ml of milk.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Also add half cup or 125 ml of hot water. Then add drained adda to it. Mix it well. Cook on high flame until boiling bubbles appear. When it starts boiling, switch to low flame. Close the lid. Cook for 10 minutes. Give a stir in between. After 10 minutes, open the lid. Add remaining 7 cups of boiled milk to it. Also add 250 grams or 1 cup of sugar. Mix it well. Cook on medium flame for 10 minutes. Stir continuously while cooking. After 10 minutes, we can add 2 teaspoons ghee to it. Also 1.5 teaspoon cardamom powder. Cook for 3 minutes on low flame. After 3 minutes, switch off the flame. The recipe will become more thicker after 30 minutes. Finally, for garnishing, add 8 to 10 ghee roasted cashew on top of it. Our Onam Sadhya special Palada Payasam recipe is ready.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.